beautiful. I hope you're having a fantastic day. This video, let's go straight to the point. I'm gonna be checking out the Shrine Drop It toners. I have quite a few in here. I opened the box already because I want to see what it is. But I got 4 brand new shades. So basically, if you never heard of a brand called Shrine, they are vegan and cruelty free. Basically do hair products, they are salon approved and easy to use. So this is gonna be my very first time trying anything from Shrine. I'm gonna be super honest. So what they say straight away when you open the box, just drop it toners. Multi-use, salon approved, vegan and cruelty free, no single-use plastic. But all 4 brand new drop it toner shades. The lilac, the rose, the ash, and the blonde. What they say, because I never use it, but I've seen this all over social media and I'm super excited to try it, as you can tell. As long as I understand, it's the drops which you mix with your conditioner, so therefore it doesn't damage your hair, right? Because you wear your conditioner full on, so you kind of super moisturize your hair. Love it so far. Okay, so what they say on the packaging is Shine Drop It multi-use non-permanent toner drops. The one I'm holding in a hand just now is ash blonde toner. Add drops to any conditioner. Salon approved, no single-use plastic, up to 30 uses per bottle, vegan and cruelty free. They even state on the packaging that it is salon approved. Get that fresh hair feeling all day, every day. Using the drop chart below, add the recommended amount of drops into your favorite conditioner using the bowl inside. I'm not really sure which shade I should go for today. Let's just check. I'm opening the lilac toner. My top is lilac, so maybe, I should match it. So it has a little chart on the side that says how many drops you need to achieve the color. So my hair is blonde just now, as you see. So I think even just 2 drops would do the trick. Okay, so let's see what we have inside the lilac toner. So we have a drop it color, the drops, the instruction, and the mixing bowl. So they say to fill this in with the conditioner, then add the drops. Apply on your hair, wait 10 minutes, only 10 minutes you guys, for the color to develop, and just wash and style your hair like you always do. I think without any further ado, we should just crack on and try, right? Alright you guys, I just washed my hair, towel drying as we speak, because they say to do on towel dry hair. So I read the instruction and they say not to use the conditioner that has silicone, as simply the color wouldn't bond, because silicone is kind of greasy and slippy. And I already put a conditioner into this little bowl. Let's take a drops. Just gonna quickly mix this in. I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and then I'll go back to use. So the alarm is supposed to ring anytime, but 10 minutes gone. Okay, I'm gonna go quickly wash up my hair and I'm gonna come back to you to see how it looks. I wash my hair just with water, didn't use any shampoo or anything at all. Brush my hair and I actually can see the color change. It's not super lilac-y like, shows in here like I thought I'm gonna have, but saying that, I only used 2 drops and I used the full capacity of this. I didn't use just a tiny bit of conditioner, so I think 2 drops wasn't enough for me to change fully my color. It just gave me like a nice lilac-y tone rather than full-on color. So maybe next time I'm gonna try and do, as they say, how many drops? 6 drops. Probably you can do even more drops for more intense color. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go quickly dry my hair so we can see the color more, but I think you guys can see already because it looks no different. See you in a sec. so I blow dried my hair and styled it a little bit. I actually really love the color. I thought it's gonna be super intense lilac like in a picture in here. Then I use only 2 drops, and I actually really like that you can control how intense the color can be, because now it just went like very light. I'm not sure if camera like transfers this through, but you can see like a very light shade of lilac. It's not intense anything, very subtle, and I actually really like it. Let me know if you tried any of these shrine toners yet. If you enjoyed this video and you found this helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, and yeah, I shall see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! Have a superb day, guys.